Welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. Have I got a treat for you today? My daughter is going to be doing a recipe that has become a household favorite. Now, for those of you that don't know, I have Asian daughters, and a lot of times they will, since they are both chefs, a lot of times they will bring their cuisine, will make their cuisine for dinner. And one of the items that they make every night for me that I've grown accustomed to, and I truly, truly do love it, is Dalgona coffee. So I kind of talked my daughter into, begged, forced, whatever you want to call it, her into making this coffee. I think if you are a coffee drinker and you try it, you will truly, truly love it. This is a delicacy that I have found myself to be addicted to, and I drink it every single night. She will make me a cup of it. So I'm going to have her to make it for you. Now, she's camera shy, but I'm not. So what I will do is I can ask her some questions, or she can volunteer some answers, but you'll see her hands, you'll hear my voice. Now, what you make the coffee out of, and you can drink it cold or hot, is the ratio is 1 to 1 to 1. So it's 1 cup of granulated tablespoon of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of hot water, very hot water, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite instant coffee. That's what you need in order to make this. But if you are a coffee drinker, again, I say you will truly, truly love it. You cannot beat this drink. Now, what they normally do is, when they conversate in Asian restaurants, they will stir the coffee real slow, and they will conversate over stirring that coffee and just casually talking with their friends. But because we have the virus going around, people don't do that now. They'll just make it in their home, and they'll do it with the mixer. So we're gonna make it, she's gonna make it with the mixer. We're gonna bring it to you, but I guarantee you, if you try this coffee, you will love it. Now, I'm drinking it with coffee. They're gonna drink it with iced milk. So that's the difference in it, but you can drink it either or. So let's get started with this. I think you're truly going to enjoy it. Be right back. Okay, now we're back, and I got Hinaya that's holding the camera. That's something she's not really used to, so you might get some wobbling. And Melody, she's actually making it. She's the one that normally holds the camera, so she's making the drink. So let's get started. She's going to make 3 containers full of this coffee, or 3 cups, 3 glasses, however they want to put it. So that is 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, and it's going to be 3 tablespoons of hot water. Now, I don't know if I mentioned, but both of them are chefs, and both of them can cook. They can really well, but they have that Asian cuisine on lock. So a lot of times I find myself eating Asian dishes. Normally I wouldn't do that. But here it is. She's getting ready to blend it up. All of the mix is in there. So she's going to blend it up. It only takes about 1.5 minutes to blend it. And then we'll have it ready. So while she's doing that, I'll just go ahead. I'm going to talk over the blender. Do I use chopsticks? Yeah, sometimes. Am I as good with it as they are? No, I'm not. But it is a treat. Do I eat Asian cuisine? I don't. Yes, I love the noodles, but I don't care that much for the pho. I will eat the noodles on the pho, but I don't really care that much for it. And they make all kinds of Asian dishes. One of Melody's favorites is kimchi, and she does that a lot, and that's around here. So a lot of times you'll probably see them bring you some of their Asian cooking. Melody is the baker in the house, so she's really, really good at it. But this is a very good drink, and I think that you are truly, truly going to enjoy it. And I get it as a treat. She'll come to my room and say, "Mom, do you want some coffee?" And I'll get it every night. This coffee is rich, but this coffee is so good. So you try this and you're really going to enjoy it. I wanted to bring you this because this has grown to be one of my favorites. And I love it. I truly, truly love it. This is the froth that actually goes on top of the coffee. So sometimes it's not sweet enough, and I use equal, so I may take an extra pack of equal and just put it into my coffee. But most of the time, I'm drinking like they do. I'm not fond of iced coffee, but I will drink it as a cup of coffee because it's very relaxing and it's good for me when I get ready to lay down and just relax and unwind from the day. It's nice to have that cup of coffee. As you can see how it's foaming up, how it's cooking up, and this is exactly the way she makes it. I have been truly blessed to have Asian daughters because it's taken me some places that I normally would not have actually gone. And like I said, they eat a lot of my cooking, but then I eat a lot of their cooking too. And I'm willing to try stuff because they try stuff and mine, so I have to try stuff that they know. This is a really good drink. I'm telling you, if you are a coffee lover, you will truly enjoy this. And they started to make it and drink it, and of course when they make dishes, they said, Mom, you want to try it? And of course, yeah, I'll try it. So I tried it. Now, it was not my thought to have her to show you how to make this. This was actually Hen, the one that's holding the camera. Hinaya's thought. She said, well, why don't you make a video for Mom's channel, make the coffee? And I said, oh yeah, well, that's a really good idea because we really do enjoy that coffee around here, and I think that you will too. And the ingredients are so simple. It's so simple and so easy to make. So I think that you are truly going to enjoy this coffee. Remember, you're going to use instant coffee, okay? And remember, if you're going to use ice milk, you're going to use ice milk. Now, normally she makes it with the in my cup, it would be warm milk. But I like coffee. So instead, even though it's made with coffee, I'll use coffee as my drink of choice instead of using warm milk. Now, you can make it with warm milk. It has a taste like, it does not have a taste like cocoa. It has a taste like coffee, but it will be coffee in cocoa form. So it will be just like that. Now, if you see how that is actually coming out and how it's all foamed up, and she's just taking it and putting it on top of my coffee. If you want to do, and of course you need a spoon because you want to, definitely get all the richness of the froth that's on top. But that is something you will truly, truly enjoy. Fill mine up. Yeah, I want it filled up with plenty of froth. And that's normally the way she bring it to me. She go ahead and overload it. Take it right up underneath where the realm is. And then I will take it from there. Now, this will also stay, if you make a lot of it, this will also stay in your refrigerator. We have held it up to a week and then just had it every night. She's the only one that actually makes this, but we all drink it and we all love it. But the richness of it, you will truly, truly, truly enjoy. I know I've grown to love it, and I think that you will too. Now, this is a delicious, delicious drink. There you are. You have it in coffee form, which is in my cup, and you have it in the glass form, which is the iced coffee. And then we have some more left in the container so that she can make her a cup of it as well. So it will, if you use the 3-3-3 ratio, it's enough for 3 cups of coffee. And if you should need to make any more, you can just make some up, or if you have some left, you can go ahead and refrigerate it and go ahead and drink it later or drink it the next day. This is one treat that I am truly happy that she made. She was able to bring to my viewers, and it's one that I truly have grown to enjoy. And I think if you're going to relax, you will enjoy it as well. So just stick your spoon in. You can just take some of the froth off the top, or you can mix it in with your coffee or with your milk beverage and go ahead and drink it. Just want to bring you something different from my daughters. I thank Kenaya and I thank Melody. And as always, I thank you for watching Chris Cook for You Too. Bye.